What up, guys? Your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. What is it? It's another Monday, beginning of the week. I know, guys, it's beginning of the week. No one likes Mondays until it's 6 o'clock and it's DYI. Oops. I know, guys, no one likes Mondays until it's 6 o'clock and then Mark's Mondays gets released. Back with another one, guys. Another Mark's Monday. So today, what we got for you? What we got for you in the box? What you got for you in the box? Yes, yes. One thing I've always wondered about, splash guards. I've seen them on a website. I'm like, oh, how these work? Do they help? You know what I'm saying? How do you put them on? What do they look like? You know what I'm saying? A lot of people, if you ain't buying them, you don't know what they look like. I've actually, when I first got my Ryker, showing off, you know what I'm saying? I went to my old job, like, showing off in the parking lot on break. So after break, I was like leaving. And at the bottom of their driveway, there's a big puddle. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going down the hill, see the puddle, like, oh, I'm gonna hit the puddle a little bit. Hit the puddle, drenched in water. And you know what's crazy about that? The water was from the swamp that's next door that was overflown. So it was all swamp water and I had to go back to work. You know what I'm saying? So I was smelling like, but ever since then, I'm wondering, like, if I had splash guards, would that have helped me? I don't know. So what we're gonna do is open these splash guards, take a look at them. What is it? What they all about? Let's see what the splash guard is all about. You know what I'm saying? All right. Okay. Okay, looking at them, we got some plastic. Looks like there's one here. Little plastic thing. Looks like 3 screws. Screw them on. Looks like they go like this. And this is the splash part here, I'm assuming. There's one here, and it comes with 2 of them. So we got 2 splash guards there. We'll get there. It comes with some screws and your instruction paper. So, splash guards. So if you look at these splash guards, obviously, I can't look at the instructions to figure out where they go. I'm gonna have to take a minute and go online and figure it out. Actually, I already know where they go. But so we got a couple Rykers over here since we're at Mark's, you know what I'm saying, the home of the Ryker. And we're gonna take a look at these splash guards. So, looking at the splash guards, they go right about here. So you got your A-arms here and your wheel here. So there's 3 holes. There's a couple of holes right here through the A-arms that you can see. And these are gonna screw right there. And you're looking at it, they're gonna screw right there to the bottom. So when you're driving and you hit a puddle, that should block the water from splashing onto you. And these are actually compatible with the A-arm protectors. So, these aren't even that expensive. So I'm thinking I might wanna try some of these because you never know. Sometimes you hit puddles, you know what I'm saying? You ride in, you hit a puddle, you get splashed. You guys got the part number, so if you don't got the part number, we'll put it in here, and then, you know, what are you gonna do now with the part number? You're gonna call Mark's. You're gonna call this number right here, and you're gonna give them that part number, and they're gonna send these out to you. You know what I'm saying? Why wouldn't you want splash guards? Why would you want to get wet? You know what I'm saying? You never know. You want one of them long trips. You riding far, going out for an hour. You hit a puddle. Now you all wet. Now you're like, dang, I'm an hour out. I gotta drive home. I'm wet. But if I had splash guards, would I have got wet? You're always gonna be wondering. That one time you went for that ride and you got wet. If you had splash guards, would it help? I'm thinking they make them for a reason. I think they probably tested them. You know what I'm saying? I don't think Can Am just gonna drop some stuff and call them splash guards if they don't help the splash. Guys. It's like one more week until the giveaway. You guys are gonna have to get your entries in there, yo. Top Notch Ryker Mods Grill. That guy's not trying to win one of those? For the free? You know what I'm saying? Like, my man Fed, is making them. He said he about to send me another one. So you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna be seeing the pictures on the IG. I'm gonna put those out there so y'all make sure so y'all can see them. So y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. If y'all want to see a bunch of different ideas, like if you like, oh, what can I do with the Top Notch Ryker Mods grill? Like if you want to get it custom, go to Top Notch Ryker Mods on Instagram and take a look at his pictures. Oh my goodness. Like every time I see one, a new one, I'm like, oh, I should have did that. Oh, I should have did that. Like the ideas are unlimited. Like he's like changing the game on the grills, you know what I'm saying? And they're customizable. So and they're quick changeable. So they pop off real quick, they pop on. So you can change those. So you know what you do, you got your radiator protected in the front because you got your Top Notch Ryker Mods grill. You got your splash guards that you copped from Mark's Motorsports. You know what I'm saying? So you protect it from the water, you protected your grill. Feeling a little safer out there, you know what I'm saying? And then it's getting warm now. So there's a lot of snow and ice melting. There's gonna be puddles. How many times you gotta say it? Splash guards are the way to go. So I'm gonna get these, I'm gonna order these, I'm gonna get these. Actually, I'm probably take this set. I'm gonna throw these on my bike, and then we're just gonna go hit puddles all day long to see how wet I get. Yeah, we gotta make sure they work before y'all buy them. But I'm just gonna buy them because I know they work. Hopefully. Someone say something about KingJoffyJoe.com? KingJoffyJoe413.com? Yes, guys. The merch is building up. You know what I'm saying? I look at my stats, and a lot of you guys aren't even going to the website. Just go take a look. You know what I'm saying? Look what's on here now. Give me a little more time, and then go in a couple of days and take another look. There's gonna be a lot more stuff on there. You know what I'm saying? We're about to be having giveaways. We got the merch. We're trying to get better stuff to give away. Y'all want better stuff? Y'all want a Ryker? Y'all want us to give y'all a Ryker? Y'all want a Ryker? Y'all want us to do a Ryker giveaway? Cause you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta let us know what y'all want us to give away, and we can make it come true. But the only way we can make this stuff come true is with the help from you. You know what I'm saying? Little purchases here and there. You know what I'm saying? Super chat. You know what I'm saying? You hit the super chat. Help a brother out from the super chat, because we're about to activate the super chat to get these giveaways going for the summertime. Because we know the summertime's here, and one of you guys need a Ryker. I know one of y'all is watching this like, I wish I had a Ryker. Maybe we can give y'all one. Maybe we can.
YouTube channel dropping videos every week.
Every week, ain't?
Ryker community.
Yeah, every week on the off season. You know what I'm saying? So imagine when the on season comes, we're gonna be dropping videos. We're gonna be dropping videos twice a week, 3 times a week. So, I don't even know how these go back in here. Oh, that's works right there. All right, guys. So until next week. Matter of fact, next week is Monday. Next week? Wednesday. I'll check you guys on Wednesday. Peace.